Hello. So I wanted to come on here and I'm going to show a little series of videos on the business edition because we have a few customers that have it and they don't know all the features. So I want to jump in here because nice things in your panel that you can do. So we are going to start out with the weeding lines today. So my favorite time to use this is if I have a word or a paragraph or something that I'm cutting out on adhesive vinyl, especially. And it has a lot of words and you just want that extra cut between it. That way, whenever you're pulling back all that vinyl, one little piece may pick up your I, your T, or whatever, and it just drives you crazy. So I am going to take this little, call him a son, and I'm going to go to the panel and I am going to fill the page with this. All right. And this is one of them to where you can fill the page, you can go over, you can go down, keep going down, or you can just click fill the page. All right. And then let me go back. Oh, and another thing, you can do Control Z and it will take you right back. So I'm going to go up here, and since I have it selected, and this is another thing, if I don't have it selected and I go to push it, nothing's going to happen. You have to tell it what you're wanting it to do. So here I am going to fill the page with that. And now I'm going to come over, I'm going to go, you can either go to the panel over here, or you can come down here. And if you don't know what something is, you can hover over it a minute and it will tell you. So this one right here is the weeding lines. So we're going to click on this. Now it's showing you off here. And we are going to turn it on. And we are going to go, let's go horizontal. That's my favorite one to do. So it automatically does it for you. All you have to do is a few clicks. You can even do vertical instead, or you can do both. And then the recursive is if I have another, it's going to automatically see how it pulls it over and it's going to cut. Let's see, take these off real quick. And if you have that on there, so anytime you put an object on your mat, it's going to give you an automatic cut line. And then if you click this one off, it will do off the page, which I like to make stuff off the mat, and then that way they can slide it over. But I just like to keep that one clicked. So anytime you bring a new design in here, it's going to automatically give you weed lines around it. All right, I hope that helps. If you have any other questions, let me know, and comment and let me know something that you would like to see next with Silhouette Studio. I love showing you. If you already have the tools and don't know how to use them, I would love to show you. But like I said, if you have any questions, just comment below and I will answer them for you. Thanks. Have a great day.